Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Harin. It is very long time. Today I am making video for my YouTube channel. So do you want to speak English fluently? Do you want to speak something in English in front of people? Or you don't have idea how to express your thought in front of people, in front of camera? So today I will share something different by which you can speak English fluently. Yes, first you have to burning desire to do anything, because burning desire is very important. You don't have burning desire, you cannot speak English, because people started your journey, then they disappointed, then leave this journey. First you have to burning desire to learn this language, so you can start. Yes, you can start. First you have to learn something basic grammar. Yes, grammar is important. If you want to say something, do you have idea how to make a sentence? You can share your thought, you can share your emotion, you can share something different. So you have to start your journey. Yes, you learn, because people started journey. Yes, I want to learn all these things today, but it cannot be possible, because it it takes time to learn English, to speak English. So definitely you have to start, but you have to maintain a consistency. Yes, second, you have to maintain a consistency. Learn little but daily, because consistency is important. Consistency makes you better. Consistency make you understand how to learn. So first you have to maintain a consistency. Second things, you have to change your mindset. Yes, you have to change your mindset. Mindset will be changed, your journey will be changed, your life also will be changed. But you have to maintain consistency and mindset also. Okay, mindset is very powerful. I have decided I want to learn this language, no matter I don't have any idea how to say your thought, what I want to make, what I want to speak English. This is important. So I'm not a motivational speaker. What I realize, whatever I feel, I think I want to share with my audience. Yes, you can start. Yes, first step is always difficult. First step is always difficult, but you have to take action immediately. You take first step, after that all these things will be easy. Yes, all things will be easy, and you cannot believe in yourself. I can speak English now, because today I will share my journey. I was not able to speak English. I was not able to speak a single word in English, but now I can speak English because of doing learning, because of hard work, because of smart work. In this era, lot of things by which you can learn, you can speak, you can search lot of content in YouTube channel also. Yes, so what will happen, people want to result earlier, it cannot be possible. You have to take a time, you have to learn something new. After that, you imitate all these things. After that, you can speak English. Now I am here. This is my farm. Yes, you can see, and you can see behind of me, this is a green tree here. It is very beautiful. Yes, you can describe like this. Yes, this video, you like this video, you understand something this video, so please share and do subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.